It is time to empower Hawaii's elderly. It is the mission of Kupuna Power.
Let's join Brickwood Galuteria and his guests as we celebrate Hawaii's seniors.
We got Kalai Kukaiko right here from the Key Project on the windward side, along with Ke Kanaloa Ka'ilihiva of Tech Savvy Teens. So we're going to put the two together, but first we're going to welcome them. Hey, thanks a lot for coming, guys.
Thanks for having us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
There's some partnerships going on here with Key Project and Tech Savvy Teens. We'll get to that, but tell us about Key Project and why it serves Kupuna so well.
Key Project is a nonprofit organization located in Kahalu'u, serving the community's needs through the services and partnerships that we provide. We have a tutoring program Tuesdays and Thursdays. We have karate classes. We have a Homaikai hula studio, Auntie Shauna Lemho, all kind of things going on. Right now, our focus has been for our North Shore Ohana regarding the flooding. And so we kind of revamping and supporting that. But the partnerships have been great. One of them is with Tech Savvy Teens, with a few things that's upcoming.
Okay, let's see the collaboration between Tech Savvy Teens and Key Project coming up soon. What is that going to be, a one event?
One event, April 25th, 10 a.m. to 2. So, you have old phones, computers that you have laying around the house you never use again?
Yeah.
So what we're doing, April 25th, we're going to have one big event where anybody can come bring their old electronics, old devices, come trade them in, but also learn to use their current electronics. We're running classes, seminars to help teach people safety with their electronics, safety with their devices, safety with the internet, but also trade in their old ones.
Now, I have a rotary phone. You know what that is?
Oh, yeah.
That's the one. You take that?
Maybe.
But I got this one too. So this is a good one too. So you're going to teach me how to use this?
Yeah.
So once again, it's 25th?
25th.
10 to 2?
10 to 2.
10 to 2. So where can we go to get more information on the day and Key Project?
Yes, keyproject.org is our website. The latest events is usually posted on our Instagram at key_project. But if you have any information, feel free to visit our website. You can call our office at 808-239-5777, and I'll be there to answer the call.
Tech Savvy Teens, so you got a website?
techsavvyteens.org.
Okay, so that does it for today's Kupuna Power, everybody. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Brickwood Galuteria, and this has been Kupuna Power on Island Life Live. Aloha.
Catch more Kupuna Power Tuesdays at 12:30 p.m. on KITV and Sundays at 12 noon on KIKU.